Okay, first of all, I'm back from France and I have so much to catch you guys up on, but this is just gonna be a quick update. Let's just say I got a lot in France. Nothing on the sales. I got things from the sales, but we're not even gonna do those because it was Fashion Week too. I didn't even know it was Fashion Week, so I extended my stay and stayed longer. That's why I haven't posted in a while too. We got 25 plus bags in Paris. None on sale. Designer bags. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mayank and I am a fashion freak,
a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shithead,
a goyard geek, a Hermes whore, a Chanel king, a Dior daddy, a Cartier grandma. So many other things.
Basically, I love luxury fashion and designers and stuff and shopping and
talking about it and spending all my money and then talking about it and then spending all my money and then talking about it. Oh, and today's video is going to be an update on my France trip from January. I just got back. Did all my videos for the channel and an update and a thank you / welcome. And also free giveaways. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for subscribing if you have. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I love you. And keep on watching, okay? So quickly, first of all, sorry I haven't posted in 2 weeks. I just got back from France. I just got back from Paris and very sick. I've got the black lung. Sexy, right? I just didn't have the energy or willpower to post while I was in Paris because I was in Paris and I didn't want to spend hours editing while I was there. I just wanted to enjoy and be outside in Paris and
shop, obviously.
Speaking of which, I have so many videos to go. I have so much unboxings of what happened in my January trip. Have my Hermes journey, what I got, what I didn't got, what I got, what I didn't got, what I got, what I didn't got.
What did I get?
Did I get it? Did I get it? Did I? You'll have to wait and see. Basically what I got from Chanel, what I got from Goyard, what I got it from Louis Vuitton. What else I got? I got a bunch of stuff. I'll give you this little, I'll give you a little sneak peek. I got 6 Chanel bags, 6 Goyard bags, 6 Louis Vuitton bags, 666. Why did I do that? 6 is my favorite number, but am I evil? Did I make a deal with the devil? Am I the devil? Am I Lucifer? Well, maybe I got 8 Goyard. Maybe I got 8 Chanel bags. No, maybe I got 8 Louis Vuitton bags? Maybe I got 8 Louis Vuitton bags. Okay, 668. And 2 Hermes bags. Okay, so that's my little update. But I will be also, first I gotta finish posting my videos from November because I still have my Goyard from November, my Louis Vuitton from November, my Cartier craziness experience madness that happened in November, which I want you guys to see, and then all the other brands that I went to, the malls, things like that. So I'm gonna try to post maybe 2 Fashion Friday videos a week to catch up, or maybe I'll just add like a Saturday installment, like a Saturday sold to start doing the January stuff. But because I was gonna do basically the Fridays, the November, finish up the November stuff before I start doing the January stuff, but I know you guys are gonna wanna see the January stuff because I wanna tell you about the January stuff, all the stuff I got and everything that happened and the whole experience while it's fresh. I want to get those videos out. So I might do back-to-back, side-to-side, like Friday fashion stuff from November and then Saturday silly sold experiences. Maybe I'll do the Thursday one. Thursday thrills, January, jolly January, jeudi, jaunts, joys, jokes. I'll come up with something. Or maybe I won't. So I just want to give you an update. So I'm gonna start posting more videos Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday's still gonna be my Hermes journey, working for my Birkin. Videos from LA. Saturday will be anything, wild card, or the sold thing. Friday will be the fashion things. Thursday, maybe the new stuff. And then Monday to Wednesday, maybe I'll throw in a random video of like random unboxing, random wear and tear, review what fits in my bag type of things, comparing sizes. Those kind of videos will be during the week. And I also have, and an update for viewers, I have a couple of things. I've gotten a couple of free giveaways of products, of bags, of sponsorships, things like that starting to come my way. So I am going to post a free giveaway for those. But there's a catch. And it's not that you have to buy anything or shop anywhere or anything like that. It's that you have to help me get more subscribers or subscribe, or help me get more subscribers or subscribe. Basically, I need to get to 1,000. So, and I'm on my way, and thank you to everyone new that subscribed to this channel, and I hope this video is not scaring you away, but exciting you for the rest of what's coming. I'm gonna have a lot more videos to post. I have a lot more videos still to edit because I have so many videos to edit. And if anyone knows an editor or anyone that's good at editing these things that wants to help me, please message me because I'm not good at editing these. If anyone knows anybody for editing, let me know. Yeah, I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers, so I'm gonna give away some stuff. If I hit there, I got all these free products from a bunch of really cool companies to test and try. So if that's something you're interested in, also check those out. But yeah, that's my update on that. And then I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers you guys are here and you're so active and so involved, and I love getting your comments every day. I love responding to them. I know I've been a little behind, but I love responding to every one of them, and I love getting to know you guys and creating this relationship with you guys, and you guys have been so supportive, so thank you. Seriously, thank you. You guys are giving me the inspiration to keep doing this channel and to keep posting these videos and be myself and get away from my regular job and try to make this my job. And thank you to Cassie as well, who inspired me to do this video, and thank you also to this Melissa Miss Fauberg, who I follow on Instagram, who's inspired me to do these dance videos that I'm doing now, these dance shorts and stuff like that on TikTok and Instagram. I'm doing basically just me wearing an outfit and dancing around with a bag and a cute outfit and being funny to a funny song. So if that's those things as well, please check those out. And then finally, yeah, giveaways. So I have a lot of bag unboxings to do, but I'm first gonna post all the November ones. So when you see videos on the Fridays, they're from my November series until I finish it out, which I think I have 4 more videos to do before I start doing the new ones, or I'll just do them concurrently on Thursdays or Saturdays. We'll see. That's basically a channel update and a kind of basically a cop-out for me to post this video today, because it's gonna be short and sweet, and post this one as my Friday one to update you on my videos, because I'm not gonna be able to edit the one that I got because I just got back and I have to run to Hermes and Chanel right now and get some more things. And I'm super tired and I keep sleeping on weird hours. Yeah, so that's kind of my update. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Subscribe. Smash that like button. Please share it with friends or family. If you hated it, share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. And here we go. January is great. I'm super excited. Can't wait to show you guys so much shit. Oh my God, so much. Okay, thanks guys. Love you.